Just a picture of the Front Range on Sunday morning, the 19th. Rarely have we seen this much snow on the Front Range mountains all winter. Just thought it looked pretty cool. There's South High School. Mile High Stadium. And then there's the condos at Wash Park. And the downtown Denver skyline with Longs Peak. And the John Paul Center. I don't know how well this is coming out. Mount Evans, of course. Then if we lean out the window, and look real close down that way, should be, if this thing would autofocus, Pikes Peak.